There's a lot of chatter about Web 2.0 technologies and how that relates to eLearning 2.0. The goal of deploying any technology in training is to get people to learn something. eLearning 2.0 is all about how and when the next generation of web services, like application services, long-tail courses, forums, wikis, blogs, social networking, podcasts, and mobile computing can be used to increase training effectiveness. With eLearning 2.0, courses are an application service. That is a website that runs an application end users can access without having to download or install anything. Companies that provide LMSs, authoring tools, or simulation tools are the enabling technologies that let trainers provide services to learners. When you create a service like training, you typically focus on 80% of your learners. If you plotted this on a bell curve, the people that fall outside of your focus are called the tail. eLearning makes it economical to access the 20% of learners that you may not have been training. Forums, blogs, and wikis are great ways to harness the enormous wealth of information found within an organization. The bigger question is, if gathering this information falls under training responsibility, or is it just a resource for training to link to? Some course curriculum benefits by having learners work with each other. If that's the case, then social networking can provide the infrastructure. Podcasting is another easy-to-deploy technology that can be used by training. But learning over an iPod is no more interesting than learning over a Walkman. The medium has changed, but if the message is boring, people will tune it out. The most recent focus for Web 2.0 is anywhere, anytime, anyplace access to information over mobile devices. You need to look at your training material and see what will work on a small screen. The bottom line is, the most successful training organizations are those that implement the technologies that help their organization achieve their goals.